Hi everyone! So welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ano nga bang gagawin? So wala lang, trip ko lang na i-vlog ito at bala ko rin sana na mag day 1 in learning about this book na nabili ko. Okay? Nabili? Ay, hulugan pala. Okay, hulugan. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, na nakuha ko or na, hulugan ko ito nakuha sa Pen Talking. Ayan, and this one is Brain Talking English. Okay, so it has, may nag-offer lang sa akin last time about this. Kasi, so first, muna, paano ko ito sisimulan? Kasi hindi na nag-vlog eh. Yun, first, yung principal namin ay may anak na babae, same age with my baby. And, napakagaling magsalita mga mi. So, my baby Bright is, hindi ko pa napapacheck. Okay, pero, napakadaldal na bata naman na rin. Nahihiya sa camera. Napakadaldal na bata niya. Kaya lang talaga, hindi niya alam kung paano niya sasabihin yung mga words. Okay, kung paano siya makikipag-communicate using the exact words na dapat sabihin niya. Ano? Oh, dapat na anak. Okay, hindi niya alam yon. So, kaya naman niya magsabi, like, yung mga simple, mga words, alam niya yan. Kaya lang may mga times talaga na hindi mo maiintindihan yung sinasabi niya. Okay, so, doon na ako nag-decide na since dahil yung anak ng principal namin ay, magaling na talaga magsalita as in. Eh, they're only, ilang months, 2 years and 11 months old. Okay, tapos ay mag-birthday na sila next, si Brian mag-birthday na this August 23 and the others are din. Mga ages ni Brian, they're talking so well na. Si Brian medyo, masasabi ko bang delay? Delay? Kasi habang nagsisearch naman ako, hindi daw yung speech delay. As long as nagsasalita yung bata, tsaka as long as kaya niya, nasasabi niya yung needs and wants, ayun, is hindi daw delay ang bata. Okay. Pero, ayun, hindi naman sarado ang isip ko when it comes to going to specialists kapag hindi nag-work ito, mga librong ganito. Okay, so first, itong vlog na to ay i-explore ko muna or ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ang nilalaman ng bawat libro. So, itong box na to mismo, ayan, Talking English, ayan, Talking English, World Map, Philippine Map, posters, flashcards, and it has 180 pieces of cards, and then, pagbuklat natin, okay, pagbuklat, alam ko malaglag yung phone ko, pagbuklat, ito ang makikita mo, okay, this one, okay, here, so, first, yan, pag-open, ang makikita mo dito, yung nakabalik eh, ito, ayan, World Map, ayan, ito, World Map, okay? And then, meron itong World Map, may letters, and so on. Yan. Here, Talking English, World Map, Philippine Map, posters, flashcards, and so on. Meron pang piano dito. And then, after that, is that you'll see here, the pen. Here. It's in here. Okay? The pen, flashcard, books, and the charger. Okay? We have alphabet, classic stencil, flashcards, the pen, the talking pen, and also the charger of the pen. As of now, since 4 days na ginagamit, hindi pa namin ito na-charge. Okay, so let's explore it first. Dito muna tayo sa Talking English na poster. Pwede ko tayo. Open. At ito ang laman. Okay, yan. So, kunin ko yung pen. Okay, pen. And then, ito yung contract kung kay ilang months ko babayaran, ganyan. Yan, kinuha ko ito ng 12 months to pay. Pero sana pag nagkaroon ng cash, mabayaran ko agad para hindi ganito lang mabayaran interest. Yan. So, na-open. Yan. And, ito na. Okay? Lahat na to. The name of the company is Wisdom Nourishment Learning Hub. They're from Marikina City. Yeah, Educational Development Program. Okay. And, here, yan yung ano namin. Then, if you want me to have another video about the price of this, I'm gonna post it in another one. Okay, so first one, here it goes. These are the posters, and here's the pen. Ito yung pen. This one. Okay, and alright. Yeah. Okay. So there's the mic, and I'm gonna turn it on. Ganun lang. Low battery. Oh, low battery. Okay, so ganun lang. Tingin ko kaya pa.
Jamaica.
Okay, kaya pa.
Jamaica
So,
is an island country in the Caribbean Sea in North America. Its capital is Kingston. The population is around 3 million, and the official language is English. The main religion is Christianity, and the currency is the Jamaican dollar.
so this
It
is
is
the
the
world.
third largest island in the Caribbean,
Okay.
and is mostly
Now,
populated by people of African descent.
I-point natin sa, since we're here in the, since we're here in the Philippines, where's the Philippines? Okay, Philippines is here.
Philippines. Republic of the Philippines. The Philippines is an island country in Southeast
Yeah,
Asia,
ganyan.
in the Western
And then,
Pacific Ocean.
okay, so here it goes.
Afghanistan. Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, Cambodia, Kingdom of Cambodia, China, People's Republic of China,
Ganon. Okay? So, ipo-point mo yung pen, huwag mo kakatagalan na
Nigeria,
ganon. Tapos, you're just going to chop it like that and then babasahin mo ng pen. Ganon ka astig itong pen na to. Even the smallest one, okay, let's say, the Tasmania or from the Suwa, what's this, Suwa?
South Pacific Ocean,
Okay, this one.
South Pacific Ocean,
Okay, this one.
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
New Zealand is an island country
Ayun,
in the
diba?
southwestern.
Yan. And then, there's the world map. Babasahin yan. And also, we have here the Philippines. Okay, the Philippine map of the Philippines. So, first one, so since we're living in Quezon, oh my goodness, here, so we have Quezon.
Quezon. Quezon was named after Manuel L. Quezon.
Oh, di ba ganon? So, hindi ko na i-point out hanggang ano dito. Ayun yan.
Map of the Philippines.
Oh, ganon. Yes. And also, yung mga ganito, province.
Province.
Oh,
Capital. Abra. Abra is bordered by Ilocos Norte on the northwest, Apayao on the northeast, Kalinga on the mideast, Mountain
ganon. Okay, so that's map of the Philippines. Okay, next one is this, fruits.
Abra is composed of 20. Pear.
Pears, pineapple,
Orange.
watermelon,
Okay, so itong nabili namin ay it has 4 languages. Okay, we have English,
Japanese.
Japanese,
Korean.
Korea, and
Chinese.
Korean and Chinese. So, alam ko naman hindi needed. Okay, pero gusto ko pa rin na kahit pa paano makapag-explore ang baby ko ng other languages. Since ngayon, grabe na mga bata ngayon. Okay, so yan.
草莓,
Okay, yun, Chinese.
草莓,
Ningmong.
Yingmong. Okay, how about the apple? Where's the apple? Okay,
太好了，谢谢爸爸。
okay. Alright, and then, Japanese.
Japanese. Lemon. Lemon.
葡萄，
Udon.
葡萄，
Okay. How about Philippines? Where? How can I do that?
Korean. Chinese.
Where's the other one?
English. Japanese. English.
Okay. But, yeah, I forgot.
Mga
Ayun.
pakwan.
Itututok mo doon sa
Mga blueberry. Mga ubas.
iyon kapag gusto mo ng Tagalog. O, di ba? Power. Okay. Next one. So, we have here the letters.
A. A. B. C. D. E. Shark.
And then,
Pating.
o, di ba? Ganon kalupit. Okay. Next one. So, we have here the animals. Okay, animals.
animals,
Hayop.
Hayop. Okay.
Matuto gamit ang talking book.
Ganon.
giraffe, leopard, rhinoceros, kangaroo,
Ganon. Next one. So, we have, of course, magpapahuli bang numbers.
One leaf. Isang dahon.
Galing ng Tagalog, no?
30. License plate NTE 30. 40 kilometro.
Okay, yeah, numbers. And we have here, of course, colors.
silver, purple, blue,
Iyak. Mapusyaw na asul.
Ganon ang colors. Next one. So, here is the piano. Diba? Apakagaling. So, pag sinilag mo naman, wala namang ano dito. Walang ang tawag doon, wire sa loob. Sobrang galing. Okay, this one is about transportation.
Bus.
hot air balloon, fire truck,
What's that? What's that, Brian?
fire truck,
What is it? How do you say that? Fire truck.
fire truck,
Fire truck. What's this?
bicycle,
What's this? What's this, Brian? Bicycle. What's this? Wow, what's this? Boat. Yeah, that is a big boat. That is what we call ship. Ship. Yes, what's this? Bicycle. Big bicycle. It's a motorcycle.
motorcycle,
Motorcycle. Oh, di ba? Meron din siya mga ganito yung where?
where is the,
Nasaan ang
Yes. I hope you can hear it, ha? Kaya naman yung effort sa pagpapakita ko, hindi niya sa ganit ng maayos. Okay, this.
this is mine,
ito ang aking
Okay, next one.
hair,
buhok,
cheek,
pisngi, babang chin,
neck,
liig, mouth, nose.
Yes, okay. So,
these are mine, eyes,
Ito ang aking mga mata.
oo, di ba ganun? So, yun ang nilalaman dito. Okay? Dito kasama, okay? Dito kasama doon sa ano, dito sa box na to. Okay, that's the first one to explore. Okay, so talking English world map, Philippine map, posters, wala yun, flashcards. Ay, ito naman yung laman ng flashcards. Okay, let me show you flashcards. Okay, here it goes. So there are 180 flashcards here. Colorful. Okay, so let's get one. So letter F.
F. Fish.
Fish. Okay, what is this, Brian?
Fish.
Fish. Okay, very good. How about this one?
Egg.
Egg. Very good.
E. Egg.
What's this?
Egg.
Egg. Very good. How about this one?
Dog.
Yes.
D. Dog.
Okay, how do you say this one again?
Dog.
Doy. Ganon. Kaya kailangan ko talaga yung mga ganitong books kasi ang tawag ni Brian sa dog ay doy. Hindi na kayang bigkasin yung letter G sa dulo. G. Brian, can you say G? G. 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 Okay, dun siya nahihirapan. And, what's this, Brian? What's this one? Ano? Clock. Okay, yun. Sabi ko naman, kaya niya talagang bigkasin yung mga words. Pero, some parts is na nahihirapan siya kung ano yung mga dulo. So, yun lang muna for the flashcards. And let's explore the other books that we have here. First, we have here the alphabet book. Ayan, alphabet. Ryan, what letter is this? Ano? A. A. What letter is this? Huh? B. Okay, what's this? This one, Brian?
B.
B. Very good. What's this one?
Balloon.
Balloon. Golly, what's this one? Brian?
One.
Ball. How about this? How about this one? Brian?
Bear.
Bear. Galing nga. Ito naman.
Apple.
Apple. Good job. How about this one?
Egg.
Ant. Okay. So, yan. Alam niyo yung mga words. Okay, yung vocabulary about mga simple words, alam niya yan. Pero, when it comes to letters, he doesn't know it yet. At the age of going to 3, nahihirapan pa siya to identify the ABC. And, nahihirapan din siya on how to sing it. Okay, this one. Brian, what letter is this?
E.
What's this?
C.
C. How about this one? How about this one?
C.
This one?
C.
D. Okay, so that's why you're just going to tap it once. This one. D.
D is for
Brian, what's this? What are these? Donut. Okay. Ayun. So these are about letters. Okay. So these are letters. I mean, yeah, letters. Yeah. And then the next one is about phonics. Okay. Phonics and so on. Like E is for okay.
A. Alligator.
Okay. The phonics of this one. This one.
I. Ow. I.
Brian, what's this?
I.
What's this?
Big.
Ano big?
Cow.
Dog.
Yes. What's this one? Owl. Owl. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Phonics number 1, book 1. Kasi, of course, we only have here the short sounds, maybe. If I'm not mistaken. So, here's the phonics of book 2. Yan, another one for the consonants. Yeah, the vowels and then the consonant sounds. And then, we have here the spelling book. Ayan. How?
Horns. 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 H-O-R-N-S.
So, you can see here, we have here the spelling.
H-O-R-N-S.
Yan. Okay, the other one.
P-O-U-C-H. Pouch.
Yon.
Pouch.
Pouch. Okay. The other one is 1,000 words book. Okay, ayan. Okay, there's so many. Count guys.
Grizzly bear.
Okay, there's so many. Okay, next one. Another one. Book 2. So there are other words, another one. And then here, book 3 for 1,000 words. Bali 3,000 na yan. 3,000, 4,000 words. Okay. So these are how you feel. Brian, look! Brian, look! How does he feel? Oh no, what happened? Look! He is scared. What's that? Scared. Yeah.
Scared.
Scared. Okay, how about this one? Yeah, how about this one? Look! How does he feel? Oh, Mama? What's this? What's this? What's that? Sad? What's this, Brian? Brian, what's this?
Sad.
Sad. Oh, cry. Okay, next one. We have here our Pictionary. Pictionary, again, mga vegetables and so on. The other one is Pictionary book 2. And then book number 3 and 4. Okay, Pictionaries. And then dialogues where you can see it's a wow, look at it.
Wow! Look at it fly!
Ganon. Okay, so that is dialogue book 1. Grabe na nakakailan libro. Dialogue book 2. Sentences. Okay, sentences. How many books are there? There are. Okay, sentences book 1, book 2. We also have here the song book. And the song book 2. Yes. Okay, and the other one. Okay, meron pa. Hindi ko na nagtatapos. Okay, so you can see here. Ganyan pa. So, classic stories. Snow White, The Little Mermaid, Little Red Riding Hood, The Naked King, Pinocchio, The Giant's Garden. So if you want your baby to listen, you're just going to tap it here.
Snow White. A long
Time ago, Snow White lived, the king
and queen
yon.
loved.
Ganon. Okay, so marami dyan. Of course, these are for girls. Meron din palalaki, Pinocchio. And also, we have here The Little Prince, An Ugly Duckling, Hansel and Gretel, The Golden Goose, Three Little Pigs. Yan. And alphabet workbook. Of course, kung meron tayong libro ng alphabet, meron din tayong workbook. Kahit wala na ako sa diba? Ito, kahit sulatan niya to, kahit kulatan, kahit kulayan niya.
Elephant.
Kahit kulayan niya yan, mababasa pa rin ng tao. So, we have phonics workbook 1, 2, and the spelling workbook. Spelling workbook that you can see here. He can write in it. 1,000 words workbook 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dictionary 1, 2, 3, 4. Dialogue 1, 2. 1 and 2. And then sentences workbook 1 and 2.
What color? Red.
From Wisdom Nourishment Learning. Okay, and also, nagbigay sila ng grade. This one. This is Logic Wisdom Star. Ito lang to sabi. Okay. Yun yung laman, laman ng itong box. So, I'm gonna show you what this Logic Wisdom Star all about. Ito ay hindi ito nababasa. Ito it has 2, 4, 6. Okay, 6. We have logical reasoning letter B, logical reasoning letter A, and letter B, and then mathematical development A and letter B. So, we have our cognitive, we have our cognitive potential. Yan, ganito. Yan. So, and then, what is this? Yeah, I like what color is it, right? And then, ipa-follow niyo kung anong kulay nito, and then you're going to put it there. Yes, okay, hanggang sa ma-follow, okay, kung yun yung kulay nito, so tapos niya. Para makita mo kung tama ba talaga yung sagot ni baby, you're just going to flip it over. Yan. Okay, tama, okay. So, dahil ito nagkakalang malamang mali. Okay, so ganun lang. And it has so many words. So, syempre sa bata, we don't have all of this. So, yun lang. Kaya, utay-utay ang kailangan. Mag-upload na ako simula ngayon ng progress ng aking baby about this one.